Okay, it looks like Langlich has joined. Okay, ma'am, it's fine. I'm out.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine.
Can we start?
Yes, we can start.
Because it's holiday, we can wait and wait. Maybe we won't have people. So I think we can start. Last time you were there when we were doing the geometry, né? And we said we want to use the textbook that we are using in class. So I've got the platinum. Do you still remember?
Yes, I remember.
Okay, thank you. Let me quickly share the screen. Quickly share the screen. And then what is happening? I can't see where to share. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, ma'am, we can see your screen.
Okay. So it means I was sharing already, né?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me quickly go to files. So today, we are revising for the last time geometry of lines. Let me rotate my phone. Wow, perfect. Geometry of straight lines. This is the topic that you are going to do when you reopen. So we are focusing on perpendicular, insetting, and parallel lines. Lines and angles. By now, we know that angles on a straight line, they add up to 180. We talked about it. We need to use the correct notation when writing our statement. In the diagram below, the small numbers are not the size of angles, but the label given to particular angle. But there are different ways to describe which angle you are using. For example, angle ABC is equals to CBA is equals to angle B1. So we've got angle B1, we've got angle B2, we've got angle B3. If we are to add up all these angles, they give us a straight line, which is 180 degrees. Then we move to vertically opposite angles. We talked about vertical opposite. We know that 2 and 4, they are equal. 1 and 3, they are vertically opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles, they are equal. We talked about perpendicular lines. Always the perpendicular lines, when they meet, they form an angle of 90 degrees. You must know that. It's a condition to be satisfied. So those are two types of perpendicular lines that we are having. The one that doesn't cross and the one that cross out. Are you seeing those lines? Those perpendicular lines. For us to understand these more, we have to quickly do the classworks. Calculate the unknown angles in each of the following. Give reasons for your statement. The first one, we can see that it's a what? It's a straight line. Are we seeing that? Are we seeing that that one is a straight angle that is equal to what? 280 degrees. Ne? So anything,
Yes, ma'am.
anything that is 180, the condition, calculate the unknown angles in each of the following giving reasons. So we are saying, where's my pen? Yes. We are saying the condition is what? The condition is what? Angles on a, I'm just writing one. I'm not going to write today. Angles on a straight line. we know that it's what? 180. This is how we write it, ne? And then angles on a straight line, we are now saying x is equals to what? 180 degrees minus what? 55 degrees. So if we subtract, what we get? Do you have your calculators with you? Hello?
Ma'am, may you please repeat the question?
The question, are you seeing the question? Question 1, are you seeing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is a straight line, ne? A straight line add up to 180 degrees. And we are having two angles. We have got angle X and angle 55. So for us to get the value of X, we have to subtract 180 minus 55. The remaining is the X value. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's why I was saying 180 minus 55. What do you get?
125.
125. So this is the value of X. This is the value of what? X. Our reason is angles on a straight line, they add up to 180 degrees. That's the reason. When they ask you about the reason, that was the reason. Then let's quickly move to number 2. Number 2. What is the value of X? What do you think is the value of X?
The value of X is 95.
It's 95. Well done. What is the reason?
Vertically opposite angles.
Vertically opposite angles. Well done. These are vertical opposite angles. X is equals to 95. Vertically opposite angles. Is it clear? Then let's move to number 3. Let's move to number 3. What do you think we are supposed to do on number 3?
I think you're supposed to add 45 and 40 and minus it from 180.
From 180, that one, the first thing, it's a straight angle. It's a straight angle. Bear with me, my handwriting. That's a straight line, which is equals to 180. So we are now saying 45 plus 40 plus X must equals to 180. That's what? 85. That's 85. Plus X is equals to 180. So X is equals to 180 minus 85. X is equals to what? What is the value of X?
X is 95.
X is 95. So this is how we get the value of X. Ne? Then let's look at the other one. What do you think we are supposed to do? Are you seeing A? Are you seeing number 2? It's number 4. Are you seeing it?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think we must do there for us to get the value of X?
I think you should say 180 minus 90 is equals to 2x.
Well done. 180 minus 90 is equals to 2x. Did you see that this is a right angle which is equals to 90 degrees? Ne? Did you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
So now 180 minus 90 is what?
90.
90. 90 is equals to 2x. We divide both sides by what? By 2. X is equals to 45. X is equals to 45. And then let's move to number 5. Are we there at number 5? Are we there at number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can someone try number 5? What do you think we must do?
We're going to say 30 plus 50, and then x is going to be equals to 80 because of vertically opposite angles.
Vertical opposite angles. Well done. These are vertically opposite. So here it's 80. X is equals to 80. Then we move to number 6. We move to number 6. How can we determine the value of x? What is the value of x?
110.
110, because we are saying 180 minus what? 180 minus 70. That's a straight angle, ne? And then y what is the value of y?
Ma'am,
One. Mhm.
am I correct to say we must minus 100 from 180 and then the answer for y will be 170?
Yes, y is 170. That's what I was waiting for. That one is a straight angle. You must know that this one is a straight angle. Remember, we only learn about the straight angle and vertical opposite. So that's what they are testing on us. That one, the straight angle. And then we move. Number 7, something suspicious. Let me circle it. I'll work it again. When I was working it, there is something I did not understand well. Let's move to number 8. Let's move to number 8. What is the value of x? What is the value of x? They are vertical opposite with 25 degrees. Are you not seeing that? X is equals to 25. Reason vertically opposite. What about Y? What is the value of Y? Y is equals to what?
Y is equals to 140.
140. Reason
Vertically opposite.
vertically opposite. Z Z. We are now saying 25 plus 140 from 18. What is the remainder?
15.
15. Z is equals to 15. So Z, we are now saying 180 minus 140 minus 25, which gives us 15. We satisfy the condition of what? Of a straight angle. Ne? So that we can get the value of Z. From this exercise, you have questions before we move to the next chapter?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Baby girl, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move to another part of angles. When a transversal intersects two or more lines, angles are formed at intersections where the lines cross. Where the lines cross. Are you seeing those two lines? Where they meet? At the intersections. Transversal, any straight line that intersects two or more lines. That's a transversal. Intersection, the point at which two or more straight lines cross. Here we have to understand very well. The angles on different intersections of different sides of the transversal are called alternate angles. They point in opposite directions. Look at these diagrams of the alternate angles. Notice that the alternate angles form a Z shape. Usually they form a Z or N shape. A Z or an N shape, something like that, or an upside down Z. Are you seeing how they form the alternate angles? The angles at the same position of intersection are called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles face in the same direction. Look at these diagrams of corresponding angles. Notice at these angles, they form an F. We talked about this last week, né? If you still remember, the F, it forms something like an F. Those are the corresponding angles. The two interior angles in the same side of a transversal are called co-interior angles. Co-interior angles face in the same direction. Ne? Look at these diagrams of co-interior angles. Notice that these angles form a U shape. A U shape. Remember the co-interior angles, the same side of the transversal. Wow. Those are the co-interior. Now let's hear about the parallel lines. When the perpendicular distance between lines is always the same, we call two lines are parallel. And we indicate with same arrows on the respective lines. When a transversal intersects parallel lines, the alternate angles have the same side, the corresponding angles have the same side. We also know that the co-interior are supplementary. These are equals to what? 108 if we add the co-interior angles. Yeah. If we add these two angles inside, you know that, ne? If we add these two, we must get 180 degrees. Then they give us examples of the trains that can these are parallel lines. Then they give us an example. We're not worried of an example. We want a classwork that we do on our own. State, say whether the line AB and CD are parallel in the following diagram with the reasons. Can we say A is parallel? Hmm?
Please repeat the question, ma'am.
Say whether lines AB and CD are parallel in the following diagrams with the reasons.
They are parallel because there are alternate angles.
They're alternate angles.
Yes, I think.
Another one, what do you think?
Ma'am, I also think the alternate angles, ma'am.
Remember, when we form alternate angles where there's a 95 there and an 85, they must match. Remember, alternate angles, they form a Z or an N. Are we agreeing?
Yes, ma'am.
So our angles matching. I don't think that one was satisfying. Let's circle it. I don't think. Let's circle it. Let's go to B. Is line A, B, and C, D parallel? Mm?
Yes,
Yes. The reason?
because it has co-interior angles and alternate angles.
Co-interior, I'm seeing alternate angles. This angle and this angle, they are
Yes,
forming
ma'am.
because of the alternate angle, ne?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what I thought of. Yeah. 120 and 120 there. Let's move to question C. Are we seeing line AB? Are we seeing line AB?
Yes, ma'am.
And line CD? Can we say they are parallel? Can we say they are parallel? They are parallel. They are parallel. This one is forming an F. It's forming an F like this. And once it forms an F, they are what? Corresponding. Ne? These are corresponding. These are corresponding angles. Did you see that? These are corresponding angles. There is an F there. And then, what about the other one? The last one? AB and CD. Can we say they are parallel? Are they satisfying any condition?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the condition?
Co-interior.
Well done. Co-interior. These are co-interior. Co-interior angles. And they add up to what? 180. Did you see that? Do you understand?
Yes,
Do you understand why we say they are parallel? They have to satisfy a condition. Ne? Now, number 2. Calculate the unknown angles in each of the following. Give reasons for all your statements. Remember, reasons are very important at grade 9 level. Reasons must be there. Reasons must be there. The first, now we see they are putting now the arrows. They are now showing that these are parallel lines, ne? With that transversal line AD. What is the value of X? What is the value of X?
The value of X is 80.
80. The reason?
Corresponding.
These are corresponding angles. That's the reason. So now you see that reasons are not difficult, ne? Corresponding angle. Okay, let's move to B. What is the value of X? What is the value of X?
ma'am, is it 35?
35. Well done. What is the reason?
Ma'am, co-interior, ma'am.
Co-interior.
Oh, no, sorry, ma'am.
Mm. What is the reason?
Corresponding.
Corresponding. The one, that's a Z. That's an upside down Z like this. How can I draw it? Like this, if I put my phone outside down. What is that condition which satisfies the Z? It's an alternate, ne?
Yes, ma'am.
These are alternate. Alternate. These are alternate angles. Where they form a Z or an N. Let's move at C. C. What is the value of X? Hmm? X is 140, ne? It's what? These are co-interior, ne? Co-interior. So we're saying 180 minus 40. Remember, co-interiors, they add up to 180 degrees. Ne? This
Yes, ma'am.
This U must give us 180. This angle and this angle, they must give us 180, ne? So that's where the 180
Yes,
comes.
ma'am.
Let's move to another one. Are you understanding? Before we solve
Yes,
more,
ma'am.
before we solve complex ones, because I'm left with few questions. Okay. These are now complex ones. They're just integrating everything that we've learned. They are now integrating. Okay. Let's do this one. Okay. Determine the size of the following angles and give reasons for your answer. Determine the size of the following angles and give reasons for your answer. So we want to look for those angles. So now this question, it's combining everything that we have learned. Do you hear me, grade 9s? It's now a combined question, which needs us to think. We were doing separate. Now it's joined together. Now it's joined together. Let's start with the given information. Every time we start with given information. Ne? So I'm gonna do with you stage by stage. Let's start by A. Are you seeing the angle that is on A? Are you seeing the angle A, the whole of A? It's a 90 degree. Did you see that? Are you seeing that? So the first thing, I have this 20 degree. You have to listen very, very careful. I have this 20 degree with this A1. It forms an alternate, which means this one, it becomes what? It becomes 20 degree. It means this A1 is what? Is 20. This one becomes 20. Since it was a 90 degree, if there we have 20, we are now saying 90 minus 20. Here we got what? 70. We are now done with the first angle. And then now we move to another one. We move to another one. We move to another one. Now we've got 20, 70. Then let's go on B. Let's go on B. Let's go on B. We do B1 using the alternate angles. Remember, I want to show you, then I'll erase. Yeah, it's forming a set. Are you seeing where I did draw? Did you see that, grade 9s?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here there's 70. It means here on B1 there's also what? 70. I want to erase this set. So it means B1 it's 70. Now we move to the next angle. We move to the next angle. We are now saying 180 minus 180 minus 85 for us to get B2. 180 minus 85, we got what? 95. Here, 95. And then we come at C. At C, we have got F. If there is 85, it means down here it's 85. And then for us to get C1, vertical what? C1, it becomes vertical opposite, ne?
Yes, ma'am.
To that angle. And then if we've got 85 there, what about D1? These are now co-interior angles. We are now saying 85, 180 minus 85, we got what?
95.
95. Now, I want us to write everything, ne? So that you understand. We are now going each and every item, ne? So that you can understand. A1. Let me start from here. A1. We said A1 is 20 degrees. Reason, we said alternate angles. We have formed alternate angles. Ne? And then we moved to A2. A2, it was a right angle. 70, reason, right angle. So we said 90 minus 20, 90, 90 minus 20. It gives us what? That's why we got the 70 degrees. Are we together, grade 9s? And then B1, we said alternate angles from A2. B1, we said 70. Alternate from A2. A2 equals to B1. That's where the alternate angle was formed. And then B2, we got angle B2, which was what? 95. It was a straight angle. Straight angle. So we said 180 minus 85, which gives us what? 95. That was the reason. And then C1. How did we get C1? C1 was vertical opposite, ne? C1, 85, vertically opposite. And then D1, it's 95. These were core interior. Remember, core interior, we said 180 minus 85. It gives us 95. So that was question 1, grade 9s. So did you see, if we talk of reasons, what we mean? Grade 9s, one reason. Grade 9s, are you still there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand when you talk of reasons that you must give reasons at grade 9 level? Did you see the reasons what I was doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Those are the reasons that satisfy the condition. Why are you saying this is 20? It's vertically opposite. We are getting it from this. Do you hear me? Those are the reasons for question 1. If we say you must write questions, must write reasons. Do you still want me to continue? Or your brain is saturated? Are you still okay? Or you are coping?
Ma'am, I'm fine, ma'am.
You are fine.
I'm also
Yes,
fine,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Let's try number 2. Okay, I'm checking time. Let's check number 2. Determine the unknown values in the following diagram. Give reasons for your statement. That's a beautiful question. The first thing you are given such type of questions, I want you to know that you can extend the lines. Are you seeing the lines, those arrows, which are showing that these lines are parallel? Are you seeing that? You have to extend. So I'm starting to extend this one. I extended it. Here I also want to extend it. Even here. Here I want to extend it so that it looks clear. Right. So this is our diagram. This is our diagram. The first thing is to use the given information. That's a triangle. Are you seeing that triangle? 45 plus 25. A triangle adds up to how many degrees? A triangle adds up to how many degrees? A triangle adds up to 180 degrees. You must know that, ne? A triangle
Ma'am,
Hmm?
may you please repeat how many degrees a triangle is?
A triangle. The angles in a triangle. Remember, a triangle, you've got 3 angles, ne?
Yes, ma'am.
So these 3 angles, they add up to 180 degrees. I don't know why my phone doesn't want to scroll. So we've got 25 and 45. If we are to add from 180 or subtract, it means this angle is 110. If we are to add the 3 of them, they must give us 180. So there's 45 there, 25 there, 110. So if we extended our line, if I extended the line, do you see when I put my phone upside down? When I turn it, it means here I'm now having this angle, this Z. So it means this angle here is what? 45. This 45, here it comes also 45. Ne? So now I'm having on Y. On Y, Y, it's what? Minus 35 plus 45 plus 25. All those things, they must give us what? They must give us 180. Why? I want to write here. It's saying y minus 35 plus 45 plus 25 is equals to 100 and what? 8. So what is the value of y? If we are to add or subtract, y is now 180 minus, if we say 45 minus 35 plus 25 minus 35 is equal to 35. Y is what? 145. But that's not the value of y. If y is 145, what about that angle? That angle is now saying y.
It's equals
Sorry, it's now at 145 minus 30,
minus 35.
which gives us what? 110. So that angle, it's 100 and what? That angle is 110.
10.
This angle, this one, this big angle becomes 110. And it's vertically opposite to angle what? It's vertical opposite to angle what? 2x, ne? It's vertical opposite to this angle. Vertical opposite to angle 2x minus 10. So we are saying 2x minus 10 is equals to 110. 2x is equals to 110 plus 10. Two x is equals to 120 over 2 over 2. X is equals to what? X is equals to 60. So that angle we want to see is how much. If we say 2x, if x is equals to 60, we are saying 2 bracket 60 minus 10. It's also what? 110. We wanted to prove if it's correct. So that's question 2A. Do you understand? I did not erase so that you can see my working. Must I erase?
Yes, ma'am, I'm done writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you write down?
Yes, ma'am.
Or it will be saved on YouTube? I don't know. I don't know the part of the textbook, but okay. Before we even start working, we can see that 3x and x, these are co-interior. That's the reason. That's the first reason, isn't it? These are co-interior. Co-interior. So we are saying what? Co-interior 180 is equals to, let me start by 3x. 3x plus x is equals to 180. Then 4x is equals to 180. We divide by 4, we divide by 4. X is equals to what? 45. X is equals to 45. X is equals to 45. You still want us to push? We are left with 7 minutes, but I have to end this topic today so that when we meet, we talk of something else. We are left with about 3 questions. Okay, let me show you the questions that we are left with, then we choose one. Because our time is not going to permit us. These are the 3 questions we are having. We've got C.
Ma'am?
Can
we please do D?
I do? D.
Yes, please, ma'am.
Okay. Wow. D is simple, baby girl. The first thing, I loved it when I was even doing it. When I turn my phone upside down, do you also see it that way? When I turn it upside down, did you also see it? These are alternate angles. Here, it's X. It means also here it's what? It's X. And then, if it's like this, condition, already here we said alternate angles, X, X. Condition, straight angles add up to what? 180 degrees, ne? So we are saying X plus 20 plus this X plus 2X is equals to what? 180 degrees. So we have got 2X, 3X, and 4X, which is equals to 180 minus 20. 4X is equals to, what is 180 minus minus 20? It gives us what? 160, ne? We divide both sides by 4. By 4. Can you look at it? Beautiful question. That was a beautiful question. Do you understand it, baby girl?
Yes, ma'am.
Boy, did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm ending the session now. 56. You want me to explain which one? We are left with 2. Or you're fine? Because we are closing the geometry of lines. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay, ma'am.
You are now okay. You understand now.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm also okay, ma'am.
Okay. We have got a lesson that we did not do last week. Can we squeeze it during the week? Are you okay with it? Or you only want Fridays? Last week we did not do. I was not having electricity this side. When can we do it? When are you free? Me, I'm free every day.
Ma'am, for me,
When?
anything is fine. Tuesday and Thursday.
And then, boy, when?
Ma'am, also me, I'm fine any day, ma'am.
Okay, so let's meet Wednesday. Let's say Wednesday. Then we meet again on Friday. Wednesday, we are doing that lesson that we did not do last week.
All right, ma'am.
At 6. Is
All
it
right.
fine? Then we just quickly do from 6 to 7. To compensate that day. It's okay, ne?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.